Honor has released the Honor X9c in Malaysia, a mid-range smartphone designed to withstand the rigors of daily life, succeeding the X9b launched last October. The phone is offered in 3 color options: jade cyan, titanium black, and titanium purple. Honor X9c price starts at MYR 1,499 for the 12GB plus 256GB option. The Honor X9c features a 6.78-inch curved OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, a 1.5K resolution with a 10-bit color depth. It reaches a peak brightness of up to 4,000 nits. The smartphone is powered by a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 SoC paired with up to 12GB of RAM. It ships with Android 14-based Magic OS 8.0. The Honor X9c carries a 108-megapixel primary rear sensor, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, a 16-megapixel selfies camera. The Honor X9c is backed by a 6,600 mAh battery with support for 66W wired fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.